sweetie.
Maybe.
This is Angel. She's eating some chicken.
Angel's very nervous.
Very nervous.
She didn't want food at first, but now she's liking the chickens.
Yeah, she even rejected chicken at first, but now she's feeling so brave.
She peed as soon as we got outside, which is good girl.
And she's 4 or 5 years old.
Angel.
Some
She's
chickens?
just videotaping. It's okay.
So delicious.
These are good chickens. Yes. Show your pretty face again. Okay, Mama. Hold on. I want to see if I can get her.